Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can fix Cash App too many attempts problem. Can't verify your email or phone number issue on your Cash App account. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So if you have recently created your Cash App account and you're not able to verify your Cash App account, then what you need to do is, in order to fix this kind of issue, so first thing you need to make sure that you have provided a valid contact information, either your phone number or an email address. Make sure whether the contact information is correct or not. Once again, do the same thing, that is, try to verify your account, and maybe this time you'd be able to receive a verification code or verify your account. In case you have provided a correct information and if you're still unable to fix it, then the other reason might be your internet connection. If you have a poor internet connection, then it might be one of the reasons why you're not able to do it. Now, if you have a stable internet connection as well as you have provided a correct information, then still if you're unable to verify your account, other thing you can do is clear your cache and data of your Cash App. For that, once again, you need to log in, and maybe this time you'd be able to fix it. Now, in case if this does not work, then the last alternative is that you can simply reinstall your Cash App account, and that might be able to fix the issue. So that is how you can fix verification issue on your Cash App account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.